Welcome to the tutorial from Ridge Lending Group on how to upload your documents to your online account. Once you have fully submitted your online application, you will receive 2 follow-up emails. Please see the examples of the emails listed below. The first email is a list of documents we require for your file to move forward into our in-depth review by our docs department. Please note, not everything on the list will pertain to you. If anything on the list does not apply, you'll be able to use the not applicable PDF attached in the second email. The second email is our Ridge welcome letter. This email contains 4 attachments: Meet the Front-End Dream Team, the not applicable PDF, the Ridge REO, and new Ridge items needed for financing, purchase, or refinance. You will need to fill out the REO with all properties owned regardless of financing and email them back to docs@ridgelendinggroup.com. For further explanation on the attachments, please look to the left. The first attachment is Meet the Front-End Dream Team. This is an introduction to your team here at Ridge Lending Group. The second attachment is the not applicable PDF. This attachment is used to upload to your web portal buckets in case the item requested does not apply. The third attachment is the Ridge REO. This is an Excel spreadsheet in which we would like you to list all properties owned regardless of financing. We use this information to help calculate your debt-to-income ratio. If this is the first property you are purchasing, please list it as the subject property you wish to purchase. The fourth attachment is the new Ridge items needed for financing. This is a detailed list of examples of the documentation you'll need for your pre-qualification. They are titled to coincide with the buckets in your account so you understand which documents need to be uploaded to each bucket. Once you have received both emails, you may proceed with uploading your document. To begin loading documents to your web portal, you need to log back into your account. Please go to the Ridge Lending Group website and look at the top right-hand side of the page. Click Log into My App in order to log back into your account. You will need to remember which application you submitted based on the goals you are trying to complete. If you filled out an application for a purchase or refinance, you most likely filled out the 30-year fixed purchase refinance application. If you are filing for an all-in-one HELOC, please select Update the All-in-One HELOC application. If you are unsure as to which application you submitted, you are welcome to give us a call at 855-747-4343 and we can help you with which application you completed. You will need to remember your username that you created and your password. If you used your email for your username is most likely all the characters before the @ symbol because your username cannot contain any special characters. If you forgot your password at any time, you can go ahead and update your username and password under the login bar. Your application will be waiting there for you after you've logged in. If you filled out more than one application, make sure you are completing the tasks for the correct, fully submitted application. You can tell that your application is fully submitted by the green submitted box up at the top of the box of your application. If it is a brown box, it'll say draft. This means you have not fully submitted that application. You would only want to upload documents to a fully submitted application. It will have in a blue bar a wording that says complete tasks. Please click on the blue bar. Once you've clicked on the blue bar, it will ask you to view the list of documents we require, ones that need to be uploaded and ones that need to be printed and signed and uploaded. It will ask you for your authentication code. Your authentication code is the last 4 digits of your Social Security number that you placed on the application. If you were worried about identity theft and you placed a random number on the application, you can give us a call and we can let you know what you put instead of your Social Security number. We do like to reiterate that we want everything on the application to be correct and accurate, as you will need it later on for your documentation. Once you've logged in with your authentication code, you can begin to upload documents. The box on the left-hand side with the orange arrow says Upload Documents. If you wish to see the full list of documents, go ahead and click on Upload Documents to visualize the full list. Again, this list was sent to you in your welcome letter. The first welcome letter has all of the items required. Now, if any of these do not apply to you, again, you can use the non-applicable PDF to satisfy the bucket. Once you have clicked in to view the documents you need to download, it will show you all of your buckets. All of your buckets are titled coinciding with the items on the list. This will help you identify which items or documentation needs to go into which bucket. We suggest you save the not applicable PDF to your desktop, sent to you in your welcome email, in order to make it easy to drag and drop the PDF into the buckets. You are able to upload the documents one of 2 ways. You can drag and drop the file into the bucket, or you can click Select Files to choose your saved documents and upload. Go to the location you have the document saved, select the document, and hit Open. When uploading documents, you may run into this problem. If the title is longer than 50 characters, it will not be accepted by the web portal. In order to upload the document to the web portal, you will need to change the title of the document. If the document is too large to be uploaded, you will need to contact our docs team. You can email them at docs@ridgelendinggroup.com, and they will give you an alternative way to upload that specific document. When you have correctly uploaded the document, the box will be outlined in green. You will then want to continue and select Done so that the bucket is fully satisfied. When you have successfully uploaded, the bucket will state how many files are in the bucket. Each bucket needs to be fulfilled or your file will not move forward. Again, if any of the items do not apply, please utilize the not applicable PDF provided in your welcome email. To check which documents you have uploaded to each bucket, select the One Files Uploaded bar. See on your left the example, and it'll open to show you exactly which documents are in each bucket in case you forget what you've uploaded. When you have uploaded all the documents, please click Done on the bottom left-hand corner of the page. It will then ask you to confirm you have uploaded all the required documents on the list. Select Yes if you have completed. If you selected Yes, a green check mark will show over the Uploaded Documents box. Example on the left-hand side. you will see a green check mark. Now you can begin to complete the print and sign document forms. You will want to print out, scan, save to desktop, and then upload to your web portal bucket. If you can do this electronically, you are more than welcome to. You can ignore the fax cover sheet unless you are having issues with uploading, then you are welcome to send them in via fax. Please see examples of all the documents and how they should be filled out on the next slide. The borrower authorization form should have a clear signature, name, and your social security number. The third-party notes should have a clear name, signature, and date. The credit card authorization form is the card that will be charged for your credit check. Please know that we do not check your credit until after receiving all of your documentation and you have been notified, because we need to make sure there are no freezes on your credit account. To upload the print and sign documents, you can save them to your desktop, go back to the print and sign document box, click upload, search for where you have saved the document, select the document. When you have properly uploaded, the box will be outlined in green. After the document has been uploaded, press Done. Once you have uploaded all the documents, you will then want to select Done at the bottom of the Print and Sign Documents box, not the page. You're going to confirm and select Yes when your documents have all been uploaded. This will complete the final task. From here, your file will be submitted for a PQ Docs review. You will receive an email. Once both boxes are checked green, the initial documents for your application are complete. If all buckets were fulfilled properly, you will receive an email stating a member of our Docs team will be in touch shortly. This is an example of the confirmation email. Generally, it takes 2 to 5 business days to review your file before we send it to our underwriter for pre-qualification. If you have any questions regarding the status of your file, you are welcome to give us a call at 855-747-4343. Thank you for applying.